Investing in gold for beginners. Welcome to Be a Baby Billionaire. Here is a comprehensive overview of gold investing, covering everything from its historical significance to practical tips for getting started. Gold has long been regarded as a valuable asset, sought after for its stability and potential to preserve wealth. In this guide, we'll explore why gold is considered an attractive investment option, the various ways to invest in gold, the factors influencing gold prices, and the benefits and risks associated with gold investing. Whether you're a beginner looking to dip your toes into the world of gold investments or seeking to enhance your existing knowledge, this guide aims to provide you with valuable insights and resources to help you make informed decisions in the gold market. 1. What is gold investing? Gold investing involves buying and owning gold as a way to potentially grow wealth over time. People invest in gold for various reasons, including its reputation as a store of value, its ability to act as a hedge against inflation and economic uncertainty, and its historical significance. Gold can be purchased in different forms, such as physical gold bars or coins. Investors may choose to hold gold as a long-term investment or as part of a diversified portfolio to reduce overall risk. 2. Why consider gold? Gold is considered a valuable investment option for several reasons. Firstly, it has a long history of being a reliable store of value, retaining its purchasing power over time. Additionally, gold often performs well during periods of economic instability or inflation, making it a popular choice for hedging against financial uncertainty. Gold is a tangible asset that is not subject to the same risks as paper currencies or other financial instruments. Overall, gold is viewed as a safe haven asset that can provide stability and diversification to an investment portfolio. 3. Gold's long history. Gold has a rich and enduring history as a form of wealth dating back thousands of years. Throughout history, civilizations around the world have prized gold for its rarity, beauty, and durability. From ancient Egypt to modern times, gold has been used as currency, jewelry, and a symbol of wealth and status. Its scarcity and inherent value have made it a sought-after asset, with gold playing a central role in shaping economies and societies throughout history. 4. How get started with gold investing? Getting started with gold investing is relatively straightforward. First, you'll need to decide how you want to invest in gold, whether it's buying physical gold, investing in gold ETF or mutual funds, or purchasing shares in gold mining companies. Next, you'll need to open a brokerage account if you're investing in ETF or stocks, or find a reputable dealer if you're buying physical gold. It's essential to research and understand the risks and costs associated with each investment option before making a decision. Finally, consider your investment goals, time horizon, and risk tolerance to determine the best approach for incorporating gold into your investment strategy. 5. Different ways to invest in gold. There are several ways to invest in gold, catering to different preferences and investment strategies. One option is to buy physical gold in the form of bars, coins, or bullion, which allows investors to own tangible assets. Another popular option is investing in gold ETF, exchange-traded funds, which are funds that track the price of gold and can be bought and sold on stock exchanges like stocks. Additionally, investors can consider investing in gold mining stocks, which are shares of companies involved in gold exploration and production. Each of these investment methods has its advantages and considerations, so it's essential to research and understand them before deciding which approach suits your investment goals and risk tolerance best. 6. Understanding gold prices. Gold prices are influenced by various factors, and understanding these influences can help investors make informed decisions. Some key factors affecting gold prices include changes in supply and demand, economic indicators such as inflation and interest rates. For example, During times of economic uncertainty or political instability, investors tend to flock to gold as a safe haven asset, driving up its price. Conversely, when the economy is strong and other investment options are performing well, demand for gold may decrease, causing its price to fall. Monitoring these factors and their impact on gold prices can provide valuable insights for investors looking to navigate the gold market effectively. 7. Benefits of adding gold to your portfolio. Adding gold to an investment portfolio can offer several benefits, particularly in terms of diversification and risk management. Gold has historically exhibited a low correlation with other asset classes, such as stocks and bonds, meaning that its price movements often differ from those of traditional investments. As a result, including gold in a diversified portfolio can help reduce overall portfolio volatility and enhance risk-adjusted returns. Additionally, gold has served as a hedge against inflation and currency devaluation over the long term, making it a valuable asset for preserving wealth during times of economic uncertainty. By incorporating gold into their portfolios, investors can potentially enhance portfolio resilience and protect against adverse market conditions. 8. Risks involved in gold investing. While gold can offer diversification benefits and serve as a hedge against economic uncertainty, there are also risks associated with investing in gold that investors should be aware of. One significant risk is price volatility, as gold prices can experience sharp fluctuations in response to changes in market conditions and investor sentiment. Additionally, investing in physical gold entails costs such as storage fees and insurance expenses, which can erode returns over time. Gold mining stocks are subject to company-specific risks, such as operational challenges, regulatory changes, and geopolitical instability in the regions where they operate. To manage these risks, investors should conduct thorough research, diversify their investments, and consider consulting with a financial advisor to develop a well-rounded investment strategy. 9. Where to buy gold. When it comes to buying gold, there are various options available both online and offline. Offline, you can purchase gold from reputable dealers, coin shops, and jewelry stores. It's essential to ensure that the seller is trustworthy and offers genuine gold products. Online, you can buy gold from reputable online bullion dealers, auction websites, and online marketplaces. Before making a purchase, research the seller's reputation, read reviews, and verify their credentials to ensure a secure transaction. Additionally, consider factors such as shipping costs, delivery times, and return policies when choosing where to buy gold to make the process as smooth and secure as possible. 10. Storing your gold. If you choose to buy physical gold, it's crucial to store it safely to protect your investment. There are several options for storing physical gold, including home storage, bank safe deposit boxes, and third-party storage facilities. Home storage can be convenient but carries risks such as theft and damage. Bank safe deposit boxes offer secure storage but may have limited access hours and incur fees. Third-party storage facilities, such as professional vaults or depositories, provide high levels of security and insurance coverage but come with storage fees. When storing physical gold, consider factors such as security, accessibility, and insurance coverage to ensure the safety of your investment. 11. Tax considerations for gold investor. Understanding the tax implications of investing in gold is essential for investors to effectively manage their tax obligations. The tax treatment of gold investments can vary depending on factors such as the investor's country of residence, the type of gold investment, and the holding period. In many jurisdictions, gains from the sale of physical gold may be subject to capital gains tax. Additionally, investors should be aware of any exemptions or deductions available for gold investments, such as special tax rates for long-term capital gains. Consulting with a tax advisor or financial professional can help investors navigate the complex tax considerations associated with investing in gold and optimize their tax strategy accordingly. 12. Gold market trends for beginners. Keeping an eye on current trends in the gold market can provide valuable insights for beginner investors. One trend to watch is the overall demand for gold, which can be influenced by factors such as economic conditions, geopolitical tensions, and central bank policies. Additionally, pay attention to trends in gold prices, as they can indicate market sentiment and investor confidence. For example, if gold prices are rising steadily, it may signal increasing demand for safe haven assets due to economic uncertainty or inflation concerns. On the other hand, if gold prices are falling, it could indicate improved economic conditions or a shift in investor preferences towards other assets. By staying informed about these trends and understanding their implications, beginner investors can make more informed decisions about when to buy, sell, or hold gold investments. 13. Setting investment goals with gold. Before investing in gold, it's essential to define your investment objectives and align them with your overall financial goals. Begin by considering what you hope to achieve with your gold investments, whether it's capital preservation, wealth accumulation, or portfolio diversification. For example, if you have a long-term investment horizon and are seeking to hedge against inflation or economic uncertainty, you may choose to allocate a larger portion of your portfolio to gold. Conversely, if you have a shorter time horizon or lower risk tolerance, you may opt for a smaller allocation to gold or focus on other asset classes. By setting clear investment goals and aligning them with your gold investments, you can create a well-defined investment strategy. 14. Educational resources for gold investing. For beginners venturing into the realm of gold investing, a wealth of educational resources awaits to bolster their understanding and confidence. A variety of books offer in-depth insights into the basics of gold investing, covering its historical significance, market dynamics, and various investment strategies. Additionally, numerous websites provide valuable resources such as market analysis, research reports, and educational articles tailored to aid beginners in comprehending the intricacies of the gold market and making well-informed investment decisions. Online courses and webinars hosted by reputable financial institutions and investment platforms furnish interactive learning experiences and practical guidance tailored to navigating the complexities of gold investing. By tapping into these educational resources, beginners can enhance their knowledge of gold investing and develop the skills necessary for success in the market. 15. Summing it up, as you embark on your journey into gold investing, remember that knowledge is your most powerful asset. By understanding the fundamentals of gold investing, staying informed about market trends, and setting clear investment goals aligned with your financial objectives, you can navigate the complexities of the gold market with confidence. Whether you choose to invest in physical gold or gold mining stocks, the key is to approach your investments thoughtfully and strategically. With the educational resources and insights provided in this guide, we hope you feel empowered to embark on your gold investment journey and unlock the potential benefits that gold can offer to your investment portfolio. Time for the soft question. If you invest in gold, what are your reasons for doing so? Please share your experiences in the comment section below. This will help everyone learn and grow together. Subscribe with us and learn. If you find the information in this video valuable, please subscribe and share it with family and friends. Your support will help us create many more high-quality videos like this. Please support us. Hit the like button and the notification bell to be notified. Click on these 2 videos shown here to explore even more. The contents of this video are for educational and informational purposes only. Thank you for watching.